Hi, this is Steve, and I'm here to make a video about the Glowforge and the Alumamark, and here to help me is Caitlin. And we're at John Hancock Charter School, as you'll hear in just a minute. And we just wanted to make a thank you and say to those people that helped us along the way, and introduce you guys to our new Glowforge here at John Hancock Charter School. So Caitlin will be starting up in just a minute here.
Hi, my name is Caitlin, and I go to John Hancock Charter School. And I'm here to say thank you and show you how to use the Alumamark and the Glowforge. First, I wanted to say thank you to the Miner Foundation who donated the Glowforge to our awesome new Makerspace. I also wanted to thank Carly Baldy at Horizon ISD who donated the Alumamark products. I don't want to forget other people who donated to our Glowforge, including the Goodriches, the Mosses, and the Hepplers. Again, thank you so much. Now I wanted to show you how to use the Glowforge. This is the Glowforge, and this is the Alumamark. We also will be using today. The first thing to do to remember with the Alumamark is to take out the protective sheet, which we already took off. Then you put the sheet in the pins down.
So Caitlin's going to go ahead and put that Alumamark, which is a treated metal that interacts with the laser in the Glowforge, and she's going to get that all set up and pinned down and ready to go. And then she's going to go over here to our laptop that we have set up here at the school, and it's to use the Glowforge. And so what we're going to do now is she's going to go, we've got pulled up there the Glowforge app, and over there on our left is our cool 3D printer we also have here in our new Makerspace. Anyway, so there's the Glowforge interface. It's an online program. You don't have to have wires connected to your Glowforge or anything. It's all online, and there at the top, Caitlin's going to go ahead and select our design and open it in the interface, which will load it up for us. There you can see the design. The settings we chose on this project were 600 speed, 30 power, 1,355 lines per inch for some good resolution. It's only one pass, and the last thing is the focus height is 0.14 inches. Now, if you haven't done it before, in the top left, since we don't have proof grade product, you click the unknown button and load in, and then you go over to use non-certified material button. We have it there, 0.14 inches, and you click submit. Once you've done that, in the top right of the interface, you'll see that print button Caitlin's using. You click print, and that will send your design to your Glowforge, which is all loaded with our Alumamark sheet. Now what's going to happen is while we wait, the Glowforge will start whirring and starting to work. And the last thing that we have to do is, as soon as the Glowforge is ready and it's sent all that information over to the Alumamark, our magic button will turn blue. And anybody who's used the Glowforge will know that there's a magic button. And that's the magic button Caitlin's pointing to. We're not going to actually start it today. It takes a little over 2 hours to complete the project, but what we do get at the end, I've already done it once, actually twice, because we're going to send these over to the Miner Foundation to tell them thank you for all their help. Caitlin, if you could show us that sheet. Let me zoom in a little bit. If you see there, that's what we wanted as far as our thank you. That's a design that we came up with and made, and we wanted it to come out as black as possible. And so what we didn't know, and we learned in the process, was that with this Alumamark sheet, you don't just get black. You can get many different colors. Hold that up just a little higher, Caitlin. There you go. So what we have here is we thought that 630 looked like a good dark setting to give us our outcome. And we did this test sheet here in the Makerspace to see what was possible with the Glowforge. The speeds are across the top, the power is on the left, or the right actually on the sheet. My left, your right. And so if you wanted to come up with, say, a gold flake look, you could go with maybe like a 900 speed and a 10 power. Or as you can see across the bottom, if you have higher powers, like 190, those powers, you'll tend to get a grayer result. So it's really up to you. It's a very flexible sheet. And this is just one of their products. This is the satin silver that we're using because we wanted to do this special thank you. We're going to go ahead and cut that out when it's all completed, put it on a nice plaque, and we're going to send that off to the Miner Foundation to show our appreciation for everything they've done for us. And we're also going to probably start using it here at the school to make our own awards and things like that. Let the kids design awards for each other, for their classes and for the school-wide programs that we do. So the kids can actually take part in the creation of it here in the Makerspace and also the fabrication of it. Anyway, this is what we wanted to show you today as far as what's possible with Alumamark and the Glowforge. And again, I wanted to say a special thank you to Carly Baldy for the Alumamark products, and a very special thank you to the Miner Foundation for all that they've done to donate this Glowforge to us. It's been such a great help to us. Caitlin, did you want to say anything?
Thank you so much for donating.
All right, well, everybody have a good day, and we will talk to you later. Maybe we'll have more videos coming.